In this video, we'll demonstrate how to activate the 3D view feature in Google Maps. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn about enabling the 3D view in Google Maps, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get right into the steps. Open Google Maps on your device, and in the top right corner, look for the floating action button that says 3D. Tap on the 3D button to activate the 3D view feature. When you enable 3D view, you'll notice a significant change in the visual representation of the map. Landmarks and buildings appear in a three-dimensional style, different from the regular satellite imagery. Zoom in to explore specific landmarks and areas. Sometimes you might need to reach a particular zoom level before the 3D view fully activates for certain locations. Experiment with different locations, landmarks, and structures using the 3D view feature. You'll notice an enhanced level of detail, especially when observing landmarks like famous buildings, monuments, or significant locations. Note that switching between map types like satellite view or terrain might affect the appearance of the 3D view in Google Maps. The 3D view feature is especially beneficial for tourists, educational purposes, or simply for exploring and understanding the structures and layout of various places. If you found this tutorial helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for more informative content. For additional tutorials and insightful information, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com.